the new song. The Wobblies. They don't sell anything, it's just a cool place.
Do they offer indoor parking?
No. Ow. Oh, you're seeing a helicopter from my house. Wait, look, it's a Tyrion coming for you. Get in fast. Do you see the police thing? Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool?
Man, I forgot how to fly it.
Police are here.
Just for you.
Dee-doo.
Hey, why are the police here? I didn't do anything.
Could have worn out for your arrest.
What? I didn't do anything.
Jax,
I didn't do anything.
we know what you're doing.
What did I do?
We're coming in.
Oh no. Oh no.
Dropping in. Oh, knocked myself out.
Oh no. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? What? No! Oh, it won't fit.
Where's your TV?
I'm not telling you. It's a bare TV now. I no longer have a TV. There's no TV anymore, okay? You can't throw it in the pool anymore. Aha, you never find it. I know, yeah, you check the roof, that's the third floor. He's trying to get you.
I drowned.
It's on the third floor, bro. Wait, we did it! Got it up. Wait, now it's stuck. Look, it's stuck right there.
Great.
How did that even happen?
It's a new problem. Oh, there you go.
It. Yeah.
You got it. Oh. All right, bring it.
Not again.
Are you kidding me?
Not again. It's too small to fit.
There we go. Get it up here.
Wait, get out of the way. I can do it now. You stuck it, didn't it? It's stuck now.
I'll push you out. All right, there you go. You're unstuck now.
Okay. Getting it up there. You fell. We're almost doing it. We're almost done. Wait, I got it. And then get out of the way. Well, really? I almost had it. How am I supposed to turn now? I think he's trying to stop me. I can't turn, Bo. What are you doing? I can't get up the stairs this way. At this rate, I can't get up the stairs. I have a couch. I can't have the couch in the way, Dad. I can't have a couch in the way. And that's gonna work. What are you playing the harp for?
I'll play you a little bit of moving music. Music to move to.
I'm not moving at all.
You are. We're always moving, bro.
Get it up there! Yeah! You're doing it!
Oh!
Yeah!
Up.
We did it!
Yeah!
Yeah! You can drive all you want up here.
Alright. Now we're inside Jackson's house on a motorcycle.
How?
Let's go down the hallway here. Oh, more steps.
The hardest part. Really? Did you have to choose the hardest part?
Who is lighting off fireworks?
Probably Tyrion.
Oh, there we go. We gotta get unstuck for a second. Get me out there. Yeah. Yeah. Grab it.
It's so close, bro. So close.
Where are you going? What was that?
What? That's the bike. Oh, we did it! Yeah!
Oh, okay, backwards works.
Yeah, I guess.
All right, here we go. Now we
Now
can drive
go
around Jackson's roof with the bike. All
You'll
right.
never find the TV, though.
I forgot looking for TV.
Yeah, important stuff.
What am I looking for again?
The TV. Bro.
Where is it?
Bro. Really? You didn't see this? Really? You didn't see this
Oh, it's
square
right there.
object?
It's right there.
You didn't see that, really? What the
That's what
heck
happened.
did you just do?
I just punched
You
it.
punched it through the wall.
Punched it right through the wall.
What? No, my TV! No!
Boom, baby.
No, not my TV again. I gotta hide it somewhere even specialer.
Specialer.
We can't do this, bro. We gotta make some sort of ramp.
I can make a ramp.
Okay, got it.
Can drive up with some weight bench.
Yes, you can. Yeah, you definitely can.
Nope.
Wait, maybe if I roll you up the thing, up the middle of the thing, I can roll you up.
That's not working. I'm stuck under the
Wait,
weight.
it might.
Here, let me try to throw the weights at you. Does this help you? Does this help you? Is this helping?
Wait, it did actually. It actually helped. I'm surprised. Okay,
Let me get you up here.
It's good enough. Wait, it's good enough because it will just fall if you keep doing it. Stop it! What are you doing? What are you doing? Whoa, you're actually doing it!
Yeah! Get in the pool. Get that bike in the
stuck.
pool.
It's stuck. It's actually stuck. Wait, I did it!
Yeah!
Tyrion, help me do it.
Right in the pool. Bike goes in the pool.
My insurance can't pay for all this.
Now it's a pool party. Nope. Pool bike. Doobie. Still having fun. Still having fun.
You know, pulling your head back.
Still having fun. Loving it. Loving everything about this. Loving everything about this. This is awesome. This is how I ride bikes all the time.
Yeah. Just like that.
Completely normal. Oh, we should probably mention we got a special guest today. Tyrion. He's back there.
Yeah.
We left him on the island.
Yeah, we left him.
He'll
Wait,
catch up.
Wait.
He'll catch up.
Yeah, okay. There's only 2 people in the helicopter anyways. Tyrion is my best friend.
You just crashed us. Thank God I jumped out and broke both my legs.
Yeah.
Oh, what's this?
You weren't supposed to touch that.
Well, I'm touching it now.
Talk to a guy.
What guy?
The guy with the exclamation point.
Where's he at?
Right there. Ow.
Hello, guys. Question with the exclamation point. Alright, first job. Here we go. Take a resource bag to one of the highlighted walls. Take a hammer and hit the wall 3 times to build it. Okay. Whoa. Alright. Taking 2 bags. Put it over here. I guess you gotta slam the bag into the wall. Is that gotta do?
Yeah.
Do them all, man. Oh, there's so many. Okay.
Okay, now we should take the hammers. We gotta hit it 3 times.
Oh, I'm building, man.
Oh, okay.
I'm building, dude. I'm Bob the Builder over here.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, look at us go, man. We're like professional builders, man. Oh, need some more bags.
More bags.
Get some more bags in here, champ.
My bags.
That's my bags.
Fine.
Fine, you have those bags.
Fine. I'll have these bags.
These are my bags.
No, these are my bags. Sometimes they stay for a while because you have like a lot in this still. Sometimes.
I'm stuck.
Now I need the hammer. Hammer time.
Hammer time.
Hammer time. What time is it? Hammer time. More bags. Wait, no, right here. Okay, now more bags. There's only 1 bag left.
Get it in there.
We didn't need a lot of bags, actually. We didn't need as many as we actually need.
Yeah. Got the house
Fly
built.
out of the thing.
Wow, look at those guys go.
Yeah.
One happy hammer. Good work. Do you like destroying stuff? How'd you know? That's a mighty fine house. Help us demolish this house.
Wait, Tyrion's here.
Demolish what house?
The special guest is here, Tyrion.
Special guest Tyrion is here, as well as someone named Stormy.
Whoa, look. This guy right here is, Tyrion is demolishing the house. Wait, you can use cars, too.
Whoa.
I didn't know that, but he's using a wrecking ball, and I'm on it.
Tyrion comes out of nowhere and just starts smashing the house. Didn't we just build this?
Yeah.
Why are we breaking it down?
Wait, look, there's hammers that I can break the thing with.
Well, didn't we just build this? I am so lost. Why are we breaking down a house we just built?
Isn't there dynamite? Yeah, that's dynamite. So we get the TNT. The detonator is right there too. Wait, I want to blow it up better.
You mean the what? The detonator?
The detonator. Just let me put TNT inside of it. Don't destroy it yet.
Okay, go ahead.
I want to put some TNT, and then I'm going to blow it up. Detonator. The detonator. Ready? Pow!
Nice. It's exploding all around me. I drive through it. It's like an action movie. Unlock construction hat. Yay!
There's so much money, too. You can grab all of this because he doesn't have a lot of money in the game. It's amazing.
We recycle all our building materials. It helps keep costs down. Take rubble from the old house and place it in a recycling machine. Jump on the chair to begin the recycling process. Take finished resources to the marked area. Alright,
Okay, so Dada,
what we gotta do?
So we gotta take these pieces right here. We gotta take the rubbish and put it right here. Wait, no, we don't put the rubbish right there. We go over here and we put the thing in the machine. Where's the machine? Where you go? Wait, right here. Right here, put the thing right here.
Put it in here?
So you go right in this chair, right? Space. Okay?
You gotta mash the space bar?
No, yeah, and then this one you have to turn your mouse. You gotta keep turning your mouse.
Okay.
And then you gotta press the red line. You gotta cut the red line. See it? So when it's ready, put.
Oh, hit space right above the red line.
Yeah.
Okay, I get it.
That was actually that game. The game just gave it to me there. Okay. Oh, there's the bags.
What do you do with the bags?
You'll see.
Give them to him? Or
You
leave
gotta put them
there?
in the thing. You gotta put them right there.
How many times you gotta do this?
This is the last time.
Okay, you need more scrap?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I got more scrap over here.
No, it's fine.
I got like this
Wait,
scrap.
I think it's broken. Wait, am I doing it?
I got the other scrap. Yeah, I got some more scrap on there for you. Just in case you need
I
it.
think it's broken. Wait, I do it the other way. I see.
Figured it out?
Yeah. Okay. Can I do this one? Do this part? More bags. Wait, I gotta do it again? I didn't know we had more.
Yeah, I put all 4 on there, buddy.
Oh,
How many bags do you need?
I guess a lot.
Oh, I gotta put them in this glowing area is what you gotta do?
Yeah.
Alright, take the bags. So Jax does that. I'll take the bags and put them in this area. Oh yeah.
Okay, I got 50 bucks.
Nice. Unlock construction pants and 50 bucks. 50
Okay.
snackaroos.
Okay. Okay, let me put the money in the truck.
Drive the truck right into the ocean.
No, we have too much money.
Put all the money into the ocean.
No, we have too much money. Come on, Ted. Let's go. Here it is. The bank. Get all this money. Who wants all the money? We can save it. Wait, Tyrion. Let's give Tyrion all the money.
Anything you want to talk about before we go?
I don't know. What do you want to talk about?
Video getting 430 views. Trying to get 100 subscribers. That's our goal, right? 100
Yeah.
subscribers. We have 55 so far. Our current goal is 100 subscribers. And our latest video, is our latest one or our second latest one? Our most popular video just broke 430 views, which for us is pretty amazing. We got like 4 videos over 100 right now, don't we?